short time later, a patrol officer spotted the car near the intersection of Cook and College. A pursuit ensued. During the pursuit, the car struck another vehicle, causing significant damage to the left front tire. Nonetheless, the driver continued to try to elude police. A short distance away, the man hit a second vehicle as it crashed at the corner of Cook and Railroad.
Westbound. Pretty heavily damaged on the driver's side. It's not going to last long. TC 711. TC 711.
As an officer approached, he saw the suspect holding a gun to his own head. A few moments later, the suspect climbed through the driver's window with the gun still pointed at his own head. When he lowered the weapon from his head, an officer-involved shooting occurred.
He's trying to climb out. He's climbing out now. That's going to be a dead still.
The wounded suspect, still armed with a handgun, ran toward a business in the 500 block of South Railroad, with officers in pursuit. At a nearby business, the suspect put a handgun to the neck of an employee, but the employee disarmed him. The victim then ran out of the business while the suspect attempted to hide inside the building.
Hey!
Officers surrounded the business and were able to arrest the man after he crawled out and complied with their instructions. Officers immediately began to render medical aid.
Climbing out now. That's going to be a dead still.